Hello everyone, Ray the Tax Guy here, back with another video, and in this one we're going to talk about how easy it is to sign up for services right through the ARAGS website. Let's get to it. One of the main questions I get when I meet people is, well, how much does it cost and how do I sign up for services? I try to make things as simple as possible, so I wanted to show you how it is you go ahead and sign up for an account and then go ahead and start that preparation process. So the first thing you want to do is go over to the website, right? So on the website, you're going to see a pricing page. So you click on the pricing page. Once you're on the pricing page, scroll down to the service that you want. We have other services here, but if you're looking for tax preparation, just scroll down to the service that you want. Select the plan that you are most interested in. So like, for example, if you have a corporate return, select that one. If you have a rental property, you want to go with this one, right? That has the Schedule E. That's where all the rental property goes. So select that one, sign up for an account. This will take you to the account creation page. Once you're there, enter all your information in here. Make sure you create a password. Once you've created a password, it notifies us that you've created an account, and now we can start the tax preparation process. As you can see on the website, the prices are out there, so you can kind of take a look at what those prices are. You scroll down, you'll see all the different prices there. So that was pretty much it for the video. I wanted to go over it really quickly, so that way you know exactly what the pricing is, how to sign up for services. Thanks again for stopping by the channel. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and leave a comment on any future videos that you want me to produce for you all, and then I'll look forward to making a lot more content for you all in the future. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next one.